Manipur Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren stated that digital transaction will help check corruption and manipulation. He launched a digital payment system for Imphal East at Imphal East Deputy Commissioner Panchayat Bhavan today. The event was jointly organized by Imphal East District Administration and Housing Development Finance Corporation (HDFC). The Good Karma Foundation, Thanga, organized a cleanliness drive under the banner Save Loktak, Know Our Loktak campaign today in and around Sendra tourist spot. The cleanliness drive was also participated by volunteers of Sendra Youth Club, Sendra, and personnel of 31st Assam Rifles and local members. The 46th Foundation Day of All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU is being celebrated at Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh attended the function. Chief Minister later launched the Digital Payment Services and National Generic Document Registration System of Imphal East at DC office. He further inaugurated a working women hostel at Adim Jati Society, Chingmairong. Biren also inaugurated a Nature Learning Center and Kempa Data Center at Forest Office Complex located at Mantri Pukri. Later, Biren will also visit Sculpture Bonomali's complex at Imphal East, Khongman. An awareness program on menstrual cycle and hygiene management in girls between class 6 to 10 was conducted at Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya yesterday. The awareness program was organized by Sashi Kiran Charitable Trust under Mooncatcher Project USA. Trustee of the Trust Sashi Kiran and Assistant Professor of Manipur University Dr. Khelena Gurumayum were the main attendees. Irawat Celebration Committee Manipur and CPI Nambol Local Council jointly organized 93rd birth anniversary of Biplabi Bira yesterday at Nambol Khorilaika Youth Association Hall. National Executive Member of CPI Dr. M. Nara, Secretary of Manipur State CPI L. Sotin Kumar, Treasurer A. Lala, Secretary CPI Vishnupur K. Bimol and wife of Biplabi Bira T.H. Dhanumati were the main attendees. Now, Haryana will also have its own National Register of Citizens. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar said his state will also have an Assam-like NRC for its citizens. Khattar's remark has immediately got surprise backing from former Chief Minister Bhupendra Singh Hooda. Nobel Peace Prize winner and Pakistani education rights activist Malala Yousafzai has urged the UN to work towards peace in Kashmir and help children in the valley to go back to school. Her remarks were criticized by Twitter users who questioned her silence on the plight of the girls belonging to the minority. Ending speculation around whether he will make a joint appearance with Prime Minister Modi, US President Donald Trump's participation in the September 22nd Howdy Modi Diaspora event in Houston will be confirmed. The US President will also address the gathering, expected to be in the tens of thousands as per the White House press secretary. A report is likely to be filed soon in the Supreme Court by the Ayodhya Mediation Panel, informing that the Sunni Waqf Board and Nirmohi Akhara have expressed willingness to continue with talks to amicably resolve the over 70-year-old Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid title dispute between Hindu and Muslim factions.